buy two-way radios. Had a sale on the Wouxun KG805G GMRS radio. $10 off on the radio and a free mic. So $30 to $40 value. And I went ahead and got another battery. This is the higher capacity, the BLO-007. And it is the 2600 milliamp. So I showed in another video. Should always date your batteries. So when they start to go bad, you know why. Hopefully it's age. So let's unbox this. Let's look at the microphone first. The speaker mic, Kenwood and Wouxun plug. Pretty light. It's got a little light on it. And a little plug for earphone jack. Can make it somewhat waterproof. And this is what's nice. Clip rotates. I was needing another one of those. So let's do the unboxing. There's the user's manual. I also have a manual quick guide on my website, pradiofun.com. Clip for the battery. The other battery that I bought did not come with the clip. I would have had to buy that separately, but I actually don't want a clip. So I have a charging cradle. The nice thing about these is the batteries fit in whether it's attached to the radio or not, and it will charge with the fat rate, the big battery or the thin battery. The thin battery is what we have in the box. So, oh my goodness, they did give me an extra battery clip. Well, very good. So there's your two. All right, and we have a strap. Now we get to the radio. Alright, to me this is one of the best GMRS radios you can buy. I already have another one. I wanted one just like it so that I can pass it out. And here we have the battery that comes with it. And it is the 1700 milliamp. Look at the difference in thickness. Okay, so obviously heavier. And let's put a date on that. Okay, and we have our antenna. It's actually a pretty good antenna. The battery, the teeth fit into the slots. And
Channel mode 1.
She speaks.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3.
And we always want to look under the covers. And there is the wall wart for the charging cradle.